I have a really boring one for you guys this week. This is just a lower ball joint on this Volkswagen Beetle. Yeah, like I said, this won't be a really interesting one. I'm just going to make the quickest video I possibly can because there's really nothing to this job. Just to give myself some more wiggle room with this lower ball joint. When the time comes, I'm going to remove this 16mm bolt on this lower control arm. Now, just so that I can play more with this, I'm going to go ahead and remove this outer tie rod, which is a 19mm bolt. Again, this one's, if you're watching my last video, this one's aftermarket, so. I'll get that out. Now I'm going to remove the cotter pin. If this was on like the outer tie rod, I would just break it off like so. And now just 18mm, and there we go. Break off the rest of it. Now it's not going to come all the way off, which I already know that. So with that, you can add a pry bar down here. There we go. Just loosen it up. Oh man. Done. Now with your pry tool, you can push this, get that out, just set that off to the side, and there you have it. And now it's just 3 13mm bolts. Oh. Like that. One right back here. That's out. Oh. Now with any luck, we can beat this out. So I'm gonna use the pry bar. Put down on this. And come on. There. So that's what we're looking at right there. It's completely exploded. And it's not going to last long either. Once all that salt and water get down in there, this thing will be rusted out by the middle of winter time. So let's just get it replaced now. Okay, so I got the FVP. I got the B90355. Not a sponsor. So lower this down, slide the new one in. I got it cleaned up as much as I could. So there's that. Now, this one comes with this little guide that fits nicely right there. And I'll just start my first bolt. There we go. Oh. Start that one. I can't see below there, so I don't know. There we go. There's found this one. And see, that's what you're looking down at. Oddly enough, this bolt don't fit in here. At least I'm not getting it to, at least. Let me look into that. Okay, so essentially you just gotta wiggle this in and out to readjust it. And snug them up. There you have it. All right. Now, you gotta kind of angle it the right way, so when you slide this up and over, got it. And unfortunately, the new one doesn't come with the cotter pin, and I hate that. A lot, some do, some don't. I like to, it makes me sleep a little better at night with the cotter pin. Yes, it would be a lot easier without the axle in the way. But it's not a luxury I have right now. There we go. Got it. Got it. Got it. Got it. All right. See if it's still an 18. It's not, it's a 19. Now with that bolt fully secure, really all you have to do is just use another jack like I did, and that'll apply pressure. That'll keep the top bolt from spinning because you're not gonna be able to fit any kind of Allen wrench or anything in there. So now, just gonna lift up on the lower control arm to match this hole. Keep going, keep going. A little bit more. A little bit more. Oh, I think I got it. A little tiny bit more. Okay, so now that I got that started, yeah, you just, like I said, having the extra jack helps, or cars and jack stands, and we'll get this sway bar link bolt put back in. And last but not least, we'll just go ahead and put the outer tie rod back in, and again, whatever your bolt size is, and you're done. Yeah, that's it. Really easy job. Took about 15 minutes with filming, 10 minutes probably without. You can do it with just basic hand tools and a good jack and jack stands. Thanks for watching. See you guys next time.